Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shahrukh Ali and I'm going to create a playlist of JavaScript tutorial. In this whole tutorial, we will learn all basic things about JavaScript like string, number, array and object. And also we will learn the some inbuilt things of JavaScript. And in the last of this series, I will also give you the notes of all topics. So before moving ahead, I'm going to share my screen to show the all overview of all syllabus of this tutorial. So I'm going to share my screen. Yeah. So this is the PPT. Yeah. So this is the PPT that the tutorial name is Hero of JavaScript. As the name, we are going to become the hero of JavaScript because we will learn all the basic concept of JavaScript. And after that, I'm sharing the syllabus of JavaScript which we are going to learn the JavaScript overview and where we will learn the Java what is JavaScript and what are the limitation or advantages of JavaScript. And after that we will learn syntax and data type, operator, if else condition, switch cases, while loop, for loops, for in loops. And after that we will learn the main concept of JavaScript, which is called the main concept of JavaScript is objects and functions. And we will also see the how we can use the our JavaScript code in HTML file. So this is the whole code of JavaScript. Okay. So in this whole series, we are going to become a master in JavaScript. So be ready and be open-minded. So thank you, everyone.